Okay, take two. My first attempt at this took 15 minutes, so I'm looking to speed it up a bit. My name's Jordan, or OAO from Beta Reader Bazaar, and I'm just going to go through a quick tutorial on how to use the site. Over the next couple of weeks, we're going to have something on the site itself, make things a little bit more obvious. But for now, you're stuck with me, and I'll keep it quick. So, you're a reader, you're a writer, you want to either post your works in progress or completed manuscripts, get some opinions on them, or you're looking to get the jump on some indie stories, have a look around, and give your feedback. First things first, posting. At the top, actually, first things first is login. You log in with Discord, Discord only. It's nice that we can use the security systems provided by Discord. It avoids any account or password situations. Nothing's held on our end. It doesn't need anything par your username. So yeah, jump on in with your Discord, head to post, and start filling in the basic information. The blurb you can put in your blurb right now as well. You can also ask some questions about what you're looking for. If you're not looking for any technical feedback, but maybe just the vibes, please just let me this reads. It's the vibe, something like that. If you did want technical, how's my prose looking? Is this terse enough? Whatever, you can chuck it in there, as well as the actual blurb itself. Genre, pick what genre you want to go for. I'm going to go for horror thriller. The next bit is chucking a cover on it. We do not accept generated AI covers. That is a strict no. We do not accept generated writing either. You can use Grammarly or any spell checks. That's fine. But yeah, if you want something temporary, the very talented Hunter from Moon and Scale, they have cooked up some gorgeous little sort of temporary art that you can chuck in, and and fill it out, design it yourself, get something you like, bam, got a cover on the go. If you do have an image, that's fine. You can go to upload, chuck one in. Here's one I made earlier. Great. Yeah, and then it does a breakdown on the chapters. So again, for the whole protecting against AI, we've done a lot of work on the back end. No AI scraping is possible in this site, just the way it's built. We put a ton of effort into making that the case. And another little deterrent we've got is you do have to put it in chapter by chapter. So for some of the bigger manuscripts, this is a bit laborious. I'm sorry about that. It's just to defend against any plagiarism attempts, or it's a deterrent. So yeah, you put it in chapter by chapter. Chapter 1, how? Chapter 2, easy. You can see that there's a point system, and that's the whole sort of math behind the site. For now, I'll just sort of submit go ahead. But yeah, you can see it's 858 words. It's rounded down to 85 points. I've got 3,000, so I'm in the clear. Submit for review. No Gen AI. This is now going to be live. Submit. Happy with that. Something you'll notice is it won't go live straight away. It needs to go to the administrative team to make sure that everything's good, nothing's, again, generated or any of that sort of bits. So I'll be able to go in and have a look. Yeah, happy with that. Give it the green light. So yeah, now my story's live. People can come along and have a little look around, which is great. We've had some nice activity. The site itself has been live for coming up to 5 days now. The Discord community behind it is a year old, and we've got about 620 people, and a nice level of activity. So yeah, the point system, pretty simple. Excuse me. Pretty simple. We've got it so if you want to post something, it's going to cost, for every 10 words, it's going to cost a point. And to earn those points, you need to read and review 20 words. So it's a bit of a 2-to-1 scenario. If you've got a short story that's 1,000 words long and you want to get that live, you're going to have to read and review 2,000 words to get the points to do that. We do have some daily bonuses. Those ramp up to about 500 words a day after a bit of use, which is nice. And yeah, down the line, we'll be kicking off competitions and other little ways to get cheap wins as well. So we've got a post live. That's going to get some great feedback. People are going to take a look at this and give us their opinion. see what they think. We want to share back the love. We want to earn some points, check out what people are writing. We've got some really talented indie and published authors on the site. So yeah, we'll take a look at one now, see how the review process works. I've actually been reading Valley of Dead Gods by Michael Mills. Really enjoying it. Let's jump on in, see where we got to. Nice, a few more chapters published since I last seen it. So when it comes to reviewing, we've got a ton of really good features. We've got a progress bar that chugs through. There should be a 1 in 20. It's my typo. And yeah, we get feedback in two ways. We've got inline comments, and we've also got an end of chapter summary. You can make it as sort of complex or as full on as you see fit. I'm jumping in and just giving some snappy feedback at the moment about what I like. You can also see other people's feedback by turning that on here. Steele always has a ton of good stuff to say. Matt also, and we've got the talented Kira giving a bit of feedback too. So yeah, we'll get to the next new chapter, chapter 3. I'm going to pop everybody's comments off. And yeah, you can chuck in line comments. I'm actually reading this, but yeah, chuck in simple comments. It obviously gets put in the mix. And then you can give your end of chapter review. We do recommend putting in a bit of work here. Here's some alarm, some garbage I've chucked in. So yeah, happy with that. I think great chapter. We want to send it off, submit chapter review. In a similar way to posting your manuscript, the administration team takes a look, sees that you've given fair feedback. It's all, not generated. This, that, and the other. Happy with it? Wow, easy. We'll get the points come through on refresh usually, and you'll get a little notification that, yeah, all's good. So yeah, those are the main two features of the site. We've obviously got hosting your manuscripts and reading the work of other authors and giving a bit of feedback. Finishing off, a couple of niceties we've got user profiles. Here you can chuck in your socials. Anything not here, you can always put in your bio. And those links follow through. Yep, this is my site, so that works. And it also holds your manuscripts. You can also see the reviews you're processing, you're going through. You can jump in really easy, continue it from there. We've also got the leaderboard function that you would have seen. As you work through, you rise the ranks. And what I really like about this is that these click through. So there's an incentive to put in a bit of work. People will see that you're a good reviewer, a good writer. This is being switched to chapters shortly. So it's a bit more fair. Yeah, those are the features of the site. I think it's probably good to end with why have we taken the time and the effort and the money to make a place like this. We felt like it was important to have a site that was free to use and didn't have AI scraping in the background, and it wasn't owned by a huge company like Amazon, to give feedback for indie authors and published authors in that sort of WIP, alpha, beta reading phase. And yeah, we're really happy with it. We're chuffed with how it's going. There's going to be continued development. New features are going to be added. We're going to make sure it's still nice and simple to use and free as we go. So yeah, thank you for taking the time to listen to me ramble. I've probably, again, gone on far too long. And this will be processed into some sort of written version, which is on the site, so you won't have to see or hear me yap again. But yeah, my name's Jordan. I'm really happy with how this is going, and thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Okay, bye now.